Hazrat Wail bin Hajr radiyallahu anhu states that two men entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, one from Hadramaut and one from Kinda. The Hadrami submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this person has snatched from me a piece of land my father gave me. The Kindi said, that is my place of land and is in my possession. I cultivate it, and this man has got no title to it. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked the Hadrami, do you have a witness? He replied, no. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, then his oath will decide the case. The Hadrami submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he is a liar and will take a false oath. He does not abstain from anything. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, you are left with no other option. When the Kindi turned to take an oath, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if this man takes an oath in order to misappropriate his property, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will be displeased with him when he meets Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 356.